What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to compile, run Java programs from the terminal. So without further ado, let's start the video. So cd desktop terminal basic Java programs src, because that's where it navigates to, that's where the directory is. So what do we have in that? Okay, so javac java c and then the name of the program. But before we do that, let's just do cat. That's the program that we are compiling today, a basic hello world program. So without further ado, let's put in the commands. Javac hello world.java, and then java hello world, and that's it. So that's how you compile your Java programs from the terminal. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.